Hi guys, 3 months have passed. What maintenance operation do you need to do on the large industrial washing machine every quarter?
The bearing seat assembly is a key item for quarterly maintenance. 1. Tighten the bearing seat bolts. 2. After approximately 1500 operating hours, the bearings need lubrication. 3. Check the tightness of the main shaft pulley expansion sleeve. 4. Check if the overflow outlet is clogged. 5. Check if the oil overflow port is clogged. 6. Check the tension of the narrow V-belts. Moving to the electrical control box assembly. 1. Perform a general cleaning of the electrical box. 2. Tighten the bolts of components inside the electrical box. 3. Check the power cords for aging. For the motor assembly, 1. Check for loose wiring on the motor. 2. Tighten the fixing bolts and nuts. 3. Tighten the pulley gland bolts. For the drainage system and chemical dosing tank, we need to check the hose clamps and bolt tightness. For the heating device, check if the resistance value, insulation value of the electric heating tubes are within normal range. Finally, for the overall machine, check the tightness of all panel fixing bolts and the front cover bolts.
The quarterly maintenance work for the industrial washer has been completed. If you need the full information for the washer on a daily, monthly, quarterly, yearly, please contact us. Bye!